Hi students, today once again I am going to show you a loan amortization chart or EMI calculation table in Microsoft Excel as your project work students. Look at here, what is EMI? What do we mean by the term EMI students? Actually, EMI stands for equated monthly installment. It includes repayment of the principal amount and payment of the amount of your loan. A longer loan tenure it is students. Okay, once again I am going to say you students, EMI stands on equated monthly installment. Okay, month wise based on your loan amount with interest, how much amount you need to be paid to your organization, those who provide your loan amount. So this month wise amount or part amount is known as the EMI loan amount students. Hope here you all understood students. Computer screen, I have created a table students and I have taken some data for operation. The first I have taken consumer name, A business, loan amount 50,000, interest rate 15%, period in years, mean time 3 years, terms of loan in year 12. There are 12 months in a single year as we all know students. So within a year you have to pay 12 times. So all together you have to pay 36 times within 3 years to pay whole loan amount 50,000 with interest. Your actual data means your actual amount which you have to be taken from your organization who will pay your loan amount, will pay loan amount to you students. Here I have taken one organization named Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance provide 50,000 loan amount to A business, a consumer. So A business has to pay 15% interest with this total amount 50,000. Now month wise how much he has to pay to Bajaj Finance loan department. So we need to be find out first this value, month wise payment, the part payment as known as the part payment students. So month wise how much amount he need to be pay as their EMI amount to Bajaj Finance organizations. So look at here, I have created a table here that is the EMI calculation table. First column namely months, second column beginning means starting amount. Always it will be start from your original loan amount, likely here 50,000. PMT, per month turn. This per month turn, the formula, it is the actual EMI amount. PMT always known as the actual EMI amount. The way we can find out the formula PMT, it is helps to find out the original EMI amount. Now next is the principal amount column, next is interest amount column, and last closing or ending balance students. After payment first EMI, what will be your ending balance? It will be shown here students. Okay, so look at my task students, very carefully watch how can I show the task students. So very carefully observe my task students and definitely you should be implement to your computer, otherwise all doubts will not be clear to your side students. Okay, let's see. First, how many months are there to be paid the whole amount? Here look at here, period in years is 3, actually time is 3 years. You will get or consumer A business get the time 3 years to be paid the loan amount with interest with 15% interest, and number of terms in per year 12. So 12 months, as we all know students, 12 months are there in a single year. So now 12 into 3, 36. So 36 rows should be there for your EMI calculation table. Means months, here you have to put the serial number 1 to 36. All these are indicating the months. First 1, Month number 1, up to 36 you will drag by the mouse. So I can drag through the mouse. Okay, up to 36 I have put it. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 36 months I have put it already here. Now beginning, here you should have to put your beginning loan amount, put equal symbol and click over this 50,000 sale value. Sale address here C4 and look at here C4 came, means your value will automatically display within this cell. After pressing the enter button, press enter. Look at here 50,000 came. Now come to this column, this cell, to find out the per month turn or part payment. Press equal to PMT. Press Ctrl plus A to open the formula dialog box. Look at here, rate. Rate means your interest rate. Click over the 15%. Press F4. Press F4 to fix this cell, students. Actually, it is an example of absolute. It is an example of absolute cell reference. Look at here, students. Here $2 symbols are there, and $2 symbols are placed before the column number and row number. $1 symbols are positioned before the column number C, and $1 symbol is there positioned before the column number 5. It indicates that it's your absolute cell reference. Okay, now divide 12. Come to the next row, in par. In par means time, period in year. Just click over the period in year, 3, value 3. Press F4 to fix the cell. Multiply symbol or asterisk symbol is known as the multiply symbol in computer. 12. So here period in years, time into 12. Come to the next row, put a minus. Actually it will help to append my original value, and present value. Present value means your original loan amount is 50,000. Click over here, press F4, click OK to continue. Now look at here, students. I got my per month turn amount as EMI amount. So per month the consumer A-Visas have to pay 1,733 rupees 0.27 paise. Just consider 1,733 rupees he has to pay to the Bajaj Finance organization as his EMI loan amount with 15% interest of the total loan amount. Now the way to find out the principal amount, look at here, equal to PMT. Press Ctrl A to open the formula dialog box. The rate, click over the 15%, press F4, divide 12, come to the next row, par. Here par means always here par indicates the first month number. In this par row or this cell, you just select the first month number, number 1. No need to fix this cell, students. No need to fix this cell because months will be changed automatically. As long as we go, month numbers will be increased. So we will not fix our month number. Okay, understood, students? Next, in part, same as it is time, click over 3, press F4, multiply 12, come to the next row, present value is your original loan amount, minus symbol, click over the 50,000, press F4 to fix the cell, click OK to continue. Look at here. Here I got my principal amount, 1,108. Same, almost same way, you have to find out the interest amount, students. Click here, equal to the formula IPMT. Press Ctrl A from the keyboard to open the formula dialog box. Sorry, one mistake is here. Equal to IPMT. Control A to open formula dialog box. Straight. Click over the 15%. Press A4 to fix the cell. Multiply 12. Come to the next row. Par. Always you can choose month number 1 and no need to fix this cell, students. Already I have said as long as you go, your month number will be increased. Okay, your term will be changed. According to the month, your principal amount, your interest amount and your closing amount and opening amount will be changed. Okay, now come to the next row, in par. In par means period in years. Click over here, press F4, multiply 12. Come to the next row, give a minus symbol, choose your original loan amount, press F4, click OK. Look at here. One mistake here I have done, students. I have given 10 extra. So once again, you can see, students, equal to IPMT, press CTRL A, rate 15%, F4, divide 12, per, or else you can choose the month number 1. Next row, in per means the time, period in years, F4, multiply 12. Next row, minus, choose 50,000. Okay, select F4, click OK to continue. Look at here, 625 is my or is ABC's interest amount. Okay, now you have to find out the ending balance. How to find out your ending balance or closing balance, students? Put equal to symbol, click your beginning balance amount, minus symbol, and choose principal. Press enter. Look at here. This is your ending balance or closing balance. Once again, you can see, students, I will remove from this cell. Once again, you will see how to find out the ending balance. After deduction of the interest amount from the per month turn amount, so you will deduct the principal amount from the total loan amount. Then you will get your closing balance or ending balance. Put equal to symbol, click over here 50,000, put subtraction symbol operator, and click over the principal amount and press enter. So after deduction the interest amount from the per month turn amount, you will get your ending or closing balance amount. How to get? You can strictly subtract your principal amount from the total loan amount. Then you will get your second month opening amount and first month closing amount. So this ending amount will be your next month opening amount. Okay, so always ending balance, today's ending balance is tomorrow's opening balance. We must have to remember, students. Here, look at here, click on this cell, put equal to symbol, and click over here this amount, press enter to get the data. So this is the way you will get your opening balance of the month number 2. So first month opening balance is 50,000, second month opening balance is 48,891 rupees, and this one is also ending balance of the first month. And no need to write always the formula, same to same. We are having one automatically dragging policy to import all the formulas and fill with automatically through all the cells. Just drag by your mouse, select PMT2 up to ending balance, just drag once. Okay, look at here, you will get your ending balance, your interest amount of the second month and principal amount of the second month. Now you can drag by your mouse starting from beginning amount to up to ending or closing balance amount. Now you can drag up to the end of your table. So I am going to drag, or I am dragging up to the end. Look at here, the last cell value is 0, means my formulas table is totally correct. The logic to find out the EMI or EMI calculation table is totally correct. So as long as we go, students, look at here, our interest amount, this one is our interest amount column. Our interest amount will be decreased. Look at here, our interest amount will be decreased. As last there will be no interest and no EMI value or closing value should remain in your table. So your principal amount, look at here, your principal amount will be increased as long as you go to end of the table. But your EMI value or per month turn value should be same, students. Look at here, it is fixed 1733 rupees. It is fixed, students, and this fixed amount is your EMI or PMT, per month turn or part payment amount, and the consumer have to pay this amount per month based on loan amount of their 50,000 rupees. Okay, now here, students, you have to find out the EMI amount. The same way you can find out the EMI amount or monthly payment, how much amount you need to be pay. This amount already formula you knows. Here you can just put here equal to PMT CTRLA rate 15%, Okay, in par I have already 15%, divide 12. In par means your period in years time into 12. Present value is your original loan amount. Okay, click OK. It got here equated monthly installment as EMI amount. Clear? Now total interest. How to find out the total interest? It is the logic, students. How to find out the total interest, students? So if it's your EMI amount, first students, how much amount you have to pay after ending or closing the last term of the installment of EMI? How much amount you have to pay? Look at here, students, how to find out this. Equal to symbols 12 multiply 3 multiply and your monthly amount. Press enter. Look at here. You have to pay 62,397 and total interest, students. Click over here, put equal to symbol, click total payment minus your total loan, original loan amount. Press enter. So 12,397 rupees is your total interest amount, students. I hope, students, everybody understood the task, and I hope that there will be no confusion in your mind to find out the EMI calculation chart table data and how should I shown the task to you, students. In front of you I have shown and I have demonstration through this video. So according to my way, you can implement this task into your personal PC, desktop, laptop, whatever you are using for your tasks. I hope, students, everybody understood, and thank you very much, students. Thank you.